Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 28th December. And first of all, national news. Bangladesh largest conglomerate Beximco laid off 40,000 RMG workers. Government supported startups and innovation in biofuels and renewable energy. National Good Governance Week 2024 launch with focus on pension grievances and public redressal. PM Modi held talks with King Charles III to strengthen India UK strategic partnership. India partners with France to establish Yoga Yogin Bharat National Museum as global cultural landmark. Automobile industry ready with two-wheeler FFV for introduction in market in third quarter. Specialized virtual center at IITM in Pune established for advanced prediction of weather. Dr. Jitendra. PM Modi recalled bravery and determination of women and men who were actively involved in movement to free Goa. Khelo India scheme implemented to promote sports like kabaddi, kho-kho, wrestling and football, sports ministry. Now, international news. Bangladesh largest conglomerate Beximco laid off 40,000 RMG workers. Dubai Shopping Festival marked 30th anniversary with spectacular drone show. Israel expanded military operations with air strikes in Yemen. And a New Zealand Air Force rescue plane arrived in Vanuatu. Nepal is all set for year-end festivities. Now, news related to business. Sensex and Nifty 50 crashed over 1%. Nutrela partners with Shahid Kapoor to promote natural wellness solutions. Indian firms raise over 3 lakh crore from stock market in 2024. Now, news related to sports. Champions Trophy 2025 venue out, but India PCCI pay big price due to ICC compromise. Sadiqullah Atal century helped Afghanistan crush Zimbabwe in second ODI. Afghanistan outplayed Zimbabwe by 232 runs. And that's all in news. Thank you.